Hi, welcome to CJ Why Money Entertainment. And if you've been here before, hello and welcome back. And if you've never been here before, welcome. And when I get a box, I get really excited. And I get so excited. And the reason why I get excited is because I get to use the knife on the box. I get kind of crazy with the knife. But let's open up the box and see what's inside. Cut like butter. Cut like butter. Come on. Okay. What is in this box? Let's see. Okay, this is an electronic, magnetic, ultrasonic pest control. You get 4 in the pack, and it's new and approved technology with Maximum. It's supposed to do flies, spiders. I think that's a mouse, but I don't know. Coverage 1,250 square feet. Inside the box, you get 4, and it's about as big as my hand, and it has the ultrasonic and the electromagnetic field, and that means the sound goes through the wall as well as also the speaker. On this side you have the fix, this side you have the ultrasonic, and down here you have the variable, and we're going to read about that. Over here, what I do like is that you have the off switch, a night light, as well as on. So it's not like you just got these plugged in and you won't have like a little night light. So I'm going to get and try them out, and then I'm going to let you know if they really work. These are my new ones, are my older ones. And okay, these have the ultrasonic and the electromagnetic technology. And the electromagnetic waves helps send waves through your electrical wiring system in your walls. But the ultrasonic sends straight waves. Now the ultrasonic, when I turn this on, it should be a green light here, and that works on 2 different frequencies, 20 kHz to 40, and you have the fix. The fix is 55 kHzs, and the 55 is to drive out large rodents like mice. So if I click it to fix up here, then that will take care of mice. But if I click it down to variable, then we're doing 20 to 40, and that deals with mosquitoes, spiders, roaches, flies, ants, fleas, bed bugs, and small pests. Sure, a lot of people does this and they say it don't work. This speaker right here cannot be covered. That speaker has to be out. It can't be behind anything, because this is where the sound comes from. And if there's nothing blocking this, then you get that full frequency. So don't place this behind any solid obstruction. That includes curtains, drapes, as well as furniture, because it can't go through the walls. It goes through the wall that it's plugged in, but the sound can't go past the furniture. So we're going to turn this on, see if the lights is fixed. I am going to set it on fix for downstairs, because I don't want mice or coons or anything trying to come in, so I want it on that high frequency. But upstairs, I am going to set it on variable because I don't want the mosquitoes and the small pets. Now, purchase any of these. Let me show you. There's my old ones, new ones. You want it with both. You want it with that electromagnetic waves, and you also want it with that ultra wave. Now, with these right here, when you see the green light, that'll show the ultrasonic waves. When you see the red light, it'll show the electromagnetic waves, and it lets me know that everything is functional. So we'll see. There's a lifetime guarantee, free replacement. I thought that was really cool because if it stops working, I could always get new ones. The round part is the night light. You can have a switch on and off. And this is how it looks with the light on. Die, bugs, die!